Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to parse JSON in N8N. Have you ever run into challenges when trying to pass JSON? For example, when running a workflow, the output often appears in a format that doesn't look like proper JSON. If we want it in JSON, we might try adding a request such as reply in JSON and then test the workflow. What usually happens is that the response includes irregular formatting, making it look messy and difficult to read. Let's go through how to fix this. The first step is to check what AI model is being used. In this example, we are working with a basic LM chain. There is an option that allows us to specify the type of output for the query. By setting this to JSON, we can change how the results are returned. At first, JSON output may appear as a list, but it is displayed in a way that's hard to interpret. To solve this, we use an output parser. This ensures that the response is returned as structured JSON rather than raw text. When setting up the output parser, we define the structure we want the JSON to follow. For instance, we can specify keys such as country and city. Let's say we use an example with country set to Uganda and city set to Kampala. Because we want the response to come back as a list, we enclose the object inside an array. This makes the JSON both valid and easy to work with. Now, when we test the workflow again, the output is parsed correctly. Instead of an unreadable block of text, we get a clean and structured JSON object that matches the format we set. This makes it easier to read and also more practical to use in other parts of the workflow or to pass along to connected services. With the parser in place, the data is both reliable and interactive, and that's all it takes to fix the issue.